Welcome back to Fierce Hot Wheel, guys. Today I picked up I saw another Hot Wheel that I want to do a little review on it. New for 2019, number 84 out of 250. Hot Wheel Trucks, number 2 out of 10. It's a 1967 Jeepster Commando. First of all, let's just open it up and look and go from there. As you see, it is a turquoise color. They came out since the new for 2019. They only came out with a pearl white and the turquoise color so far. Pretty nice sunroof. Turquoise color, like I said, black interior, black trunk, a little motorcycle that looks like from 1950s. Carl Motors. Let's see what does it say. Carl Motors, and sorry for a little trying to zoom in and yeah, same thing. Well, anyways, pretty nice front oldish since it's 1967 tow hitch. Ah, that was actually a good one. Yeah, I found another toy. Had to spin the wheels. Designer of this Hot Wheel was actually Dmitry Shakhmatov. So there you go, guys. Not a lot of details. As you know, Jeep realized Jeep started production from 1966 to 1973. So only 7 years. And then they discontinued the successor of the Jeepster Commander was a Jeep Cherokee. And this year, since Jeep had a lot of comments, a lot of the Jeep collectors, and asking them to bring back the Commander or the Jeep truck. So in 2019, they came out with the Jeep Commander. That is a truck. The back doors for the Jeep Commander is actually same as Jeep Wrangler. Just a heads up, guys, if you have a Jeep Commander, your door get busted and you need one, you can go to Spalding's or Junkyard and Auto Wrecking Yard. Pull it from Jeep Wrangler, it'll fit. But anyways, if you want to go to Safari with this one, you can. Pretty nice, and you can go anywhere with this bike on. If the Jeep can't go anywhere, you can go between the trees and bushes on this bike. Well, thank you for watching. Have a great day. See you next time.